Today we are replacing our stock 114 Derby cover with the new NICECNC transparent Derby cover, and we're going to include this also in another video we're doing about a 3-hole oil change. But today we're running out of light, so we're just doing the Derby cover. And you want to loosen your screws before you do anything, because you want to make sure that you're able to get all the screws out before you take the Derby cover off. Because if you can't loosen your screws, you're going to lose all your oil. So here we go. Goodbye, stock Derby cover. So what are you loosening right now?
I am loosening the drain plug for the primary fluid.
Okay. Our jack is kind of in the way, so the drain is a little tilted, but we think it'll work.
Since it's only a cord anyway. So.
All right, there it goes. The T27 to loosen these screws on the Derby cover. It's emptying out now.
Use the 5/8 wrench for the drain plug. Just taking the screws out.
Okay, the old one's off.
The manufacturer sends you an O-ring to go into the new Derby cover. Fits in there nice. Trying to make sure this is all nice and clean. And after it's done draining, you want to reinstall the plug. Make sure you clean up your plug. There could be there's a magnet. There could be some shavings on there, some metal. Just gonna clean it all off. There wasn't too much of anything on here. And you want to install a new O-ring as well. But the thing is, it should be fine. I use AMSOIL for everything, for the primary, the transmission, and the engine oil, all synthetic. Last time it took exactly a quart. So that's what I'm going to put in there now. I don't know the torque spec, but it's tight.
So that was a quart of primary fluid that we put in here just a moment ago. What are you doing now?
Just putting in the screws in.
And what size are you using again? To put the screws back in?
T27. No, actually, it's not. Yeah, T27.
Make sure you put the logo at the bottom, obviously. There it is. What do you think?
Looks nice. Kind of different with the clear.
Anybody that's followed us, you know we have subtle orange accents on the bike. So